Alright, look what we got here. A few wall posters to add to the wall. Pretty much both trucks, and then the logo and all that to go in the middle. Probably put them right up here. So for now, we'll just use a little bit of tape. So we don't mess them up. Till we can get some actual frames. Got these at Walmart.com just to kind of see how well they would turn out. They're only like $8. Debating on putting them on the website as far as the channel is concerned, if y'all would be interested in some of these. Got the General up there. There we have it there. We got some Speed Shop, and we got the General. We got both trucks in the logo, and we got the lifted Z71. So, four-wheel drive, lowrider. If you'd like any of these pictures that you see here, just leave me a comment below and we can set up a price for you and see what you want to purchase. We got some Punisher comics up here. So the room's kind of coming together. Now we just need to put the rest of this stuff. I got some different people's decals that I'm gonna put on a ice chest that I'm gonna start. So I got Chevy only, straight 6 van, Diesel Brothers, and of course Casey's Paint Shop. Right now gonna start adding these decals to an ice chest that I will be taking with me on car shows and stuff like that, so that way people can see, oh, there's my decal, there's my sticker, if they come and visit me. So if you'd like your decal or whatever to be stuck on the cooler coming soon, comment below and I'll send you a message on the address and all that, and we can add your decal to the decal collection here that's going on the cooler. So stay tuned for that. About to go live here in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minutes. So stay tuned.